So in this question, there is a conducting sphere which is enclosed by a hollow cylindrical shell, and initially the inner surface has charge Q. Okay, and then while the outer surface is uncharged or it is neutral, and then the potential difference between the two spherical surfaces is found to be V, and later on the outer shell, a charge of minus 4Q is given, and then we need to find out the new potential difference between two surfaces. Okay, so this is the figure where inner one is a solid sphere which is having a charge Q and the outer shell is neutral. So we can depict this as this figure where A is the center of inner solid sphere which has Q charge. So the charge disperses towards this outer surface, which is this one, as Q, and the inner curved surface of the outer shell is minus Q, and the outer surface of the curved shell is plus Q, because charge is neutral. So inner side of the outer surface is minus Q, and the outer side of the outer surface is plus Q. This is how the charge is neutral. So we need to find out the potential difference after giving the outer shell a charge of minus 4Q. So initially, where A is the center point and the potential difference is KQ by A, which is caused by the inner sphere, the surface of inner sphere, plus K minus Q plus Q by B, which is in total caused by the outer shell, which comes out to be KQ by A. So this is the initial potential difference, and which comes out to be KQ 1 upon A minus 1 upon B. So this is given as V, and now after giving a charge of minus 4Q, the potential difference at center is KQ by A minus K4Q by B, where B is the distance or radius of the outer shell. 4Q is minus 4Q is the charge which is given to the outer shell, and there B is a point on the outer shell. So the potential difference at B is KQ by B minus K4Q by B. So after subtracting VA by V1, we will get delta V as this, which is given as V. So the potential difference between these 2 points. Wait a minute. The potential difference between these 2 points comes out to be V, which is previously, without giving a charge of minus Q, the potential difference was also V. So the new potential difference comes out to be the potential difference before giving a charge of minus Q. So answer would be option A.